Hello guys, so I've been using EasyPost for a while now, and here's my honest take on it. If you're looking for a shipping solution that's API focused and developer friendly, EasyPost definitely fits the bill. From my experience, the documentation is pretty solid and made the integration process fairly smooth, which is a huge plus if you're comfortable working with APIs. For Shopify store owners, this means you can automate shipping label creation, track multiple carriers, and even customize your shipping workflows without having to manually input order information for each shipment. The dashboard itself is clean and gives you the key info you need without overcomplicating things, so it feels straightforward to manage once you're set up. You can quickly see shipping rates, track packages, and manage labels all from one place, which is especially helpful if your store is growing and you're handling dozens or hundreds of orders per week. One thing I really appreciate about EasyPost is that there's no monthly fee. You pay based on usage, which is great if you don't want to be locked into a subscription and just want to pay for what you actually use. Plus, the postage rates I found through EasyPost are pretty competitive, so it's cost-effective if you want to find the best shipping deals. For example, if you ship internationally, EasyPost can help you compare rates from USPS, FedEx, UPS, and other carriers to make sure you're getting the most affordable option without sacrificing speed or reliability. That said, it's not perfect. The lack of direct integrations with some popular e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce was a bit annoying. Because of that, the dashboard doesn't automatically show pending orders from those platforms, which means I had to manually handle some parts of the shipping process or build custom solutions. For Shopify users, this isn't usually a problem since the integration works well, but if you use multiple platforms or marketplaces, you might need a small custom workflow to sync all your orders efficiently. On the customer support side, I've been pleasantly surprised. Even though the company is based in the US and I'm in the UK, their support has been responsive and helpful whenever I've reached out. It's not live chat or phone support, but email responses come in a reasonable time frame, which works fine for me. They've helped me troubleshoot label issues and clarify API questions, which is a huge time saver if you're setting up automated shipping processes for the first time. However, some parts of the setup can be frustrating if you're not very technical. EasyPost is definitely geared toward people who have some coding or developer resources available, because simple tasks sometimes require more effort to configure than I initially expected. For Shopify beginners, this might mean you'll want to work with a developer or spend a little extra time familiarizing yourself with API documentation and webhooks to fully take advantage of the platform. One other thing that caught my attention was the way the billing works. You need to fund your account up front rather than having labels billed directly to your credit card as you purchase them. That can feel a bit inconvenient and require some planning to keep your account topped up. If you're coming from platforms like ShipStation or Stamps.com, it's a bit of a shift. However, pre-funding your account can actually help you manage cash flow better for bulk shipments, especially during busy sales periods or seasonal promotions. Overall, I'd say EasyPost is a solid, cost-effective shipping API solution for businesses that want to integrate multiple carriers and save money on postage. It's not the easiest out of the box if you want something plug and play, but if you have the technical skills or team, it's a reliable choice. I think it's perfect for those who want to build custom shipping workflows and don't mind putting in some effort to get things set up. Just keep in mind the limits around direct e-commerce integrations and the prepaid account model before jumping in. For Shopify store owners, using EasyPost can ultimately save time, reduce shipping errors, and give you more flexibility over your fulfillment process, especially if you're scaling your business.